My name's Jeff Price. I'm the field CTO of North America, and a little bit about my role is to interact with customers, help with strategic engagements, and really describe a clear path to using SUSE technology in your business. SUSE is an open source software company. We have solutions for all sizes of customers, ranging from the operating system. SUSE started over 30 years ago as the first commercially available Linux distribution, and have grown over time to include some of the huge companies worldwide, some of the huge partnerships worldwide like SAP and multiple IHVs. We're here at KubeCon this week to kind of tell people about our story around Rancher Prime and its ability to manage Kubernetes at scale. We have integrations with edge solutions, storage solutions, with Longhorn, integrations with virtualization, SUSE AI, a whole bunch of things we're doing here to bring solutions to people. We've done a few different Rancher days, and what that is really a day-long workshop where people can come in, get hands-on with the Rancher technologies. We share ways to deploy it. We share some of the ways that people might deploy it correctly, of course, and then what to do if you deployed it incorrectly, giving people kind of a hands-on experience with our software. We're using Instruqt to deliver this whole session, a guided session where you've got labs that you can run through, spinning up that infrastructure. You know, even using open source, it's a lot of work, being able to maintain the connections and provision to multiple backends. Instruqt for us was the right thing to do to scale up, and we've seen certainly an interest and an increased interest, and the Instruqt platform is great for getting data in and out of the system and giving a positive experience for people who want to learn. We originally started out with like a limit of 100 people, I think, and had to scale things up because it was kind of a blowout. It was a real success this year. A lot of interest in what we've added over the past few acquisitions, and all those things coming together, giving people a chance to learn about it. The interaction and even how we're using Instruqt through a marketing launched front end. Here's the URL, go here. We're capturing a lot of information from people filling out the form, higher quality of leads for us to follow up. So SUSE, of course, open source company. We make money selling free software, but getting that community to then talk about what the benefits are of paid support and paid engagement. It's been a great thing to have quality leads coming out of the Instruqt platform. People have been stopping by the booth after the Rancher Day. They said they really appreciated the engagement and the way the content was shared. So I think that also speaks largely about the Instruqt platform and how we're using it. What we've seen as we're trying to help people learn our technologies is there are different kind of learners. Sometimes hands-on, running through a guide doesn't quite cut it. You want to have some interaction with people who can drive you and have interaction in QA and the ability to kind of have a guided resource to learn some of these technologies, make it easier, more accessible for a lot of people.